Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Jude Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time, I'm going to react for the first time the official music video of another group. They call themselves as New ID with the song entitled ER. So I really don't know exactly what does ER means. Or maybe this is emergency room. So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. I'm really excited for this one, guys, because this is my first time seeing this group, so I really don't know what to expect. So let's check this music video of them. Ooh, nice song. Ooh. Ah. Ibang grupo din pala to, guys, from the Dream Chaser. This is Winston, right? Oh, Tagalog pala yung kanta nila. Ah. So MLD Entertainment pa rin ang nag-aano sa kanila, nag-handle. So, brother pala to ng mga Horizons. Sino to? Tad? Ooh! This one. Wow! Ang galing! Ang ganda ng dating nila, ah! Ganda ng mga boses nila. Ah, Juice L. Ooh. So guys, akala ko guys, ano sila, yung Korean na grupo, hindi pala, mga Pinoy pala sila. Ooh, look at the way they dance. Ooh. Hindi ako masyado familiar sa dalawa, guys. Whoa! Wow, guys, good thing, guys, ha, because ang yung mga Dream Chasers hindi pa rin sila inano ng pinapabayaan ng MLD. So another group, siguro meron pa tong ibang grupo na i-perform yung MLD Entertainment. So ang ganda lang ng nila, guys, music video. Akala ko nga kasi parang Korean. So nag-e-expect ako na Korean, pero nung pagsimula pa lang nila, nakilala ko kaagad si Winston kasi nga isa yan siya mga strongest vocals during sa Dream Chaser. So at least hindi nasayang yung effort nila, yung pag-audition nila, yung trainings nila. So ang ganda lang. So bali dito, guys, yung New ID, ang dito nila is yung vocals nila, kasi isa to sa mga grupo na yung mga strong vocals ba, si Winston, pati si Juice L, kasi nga, di ba si Juice L sumasali siya ng mga singing competition. So grabe yung vocals nila. Ang laki lang din ng improvements nila, guys, when it comes to dancing. Ang galing ng sumayam. Kikita mo talaga yung passions nila sa craft nila, the way they execute each move. It's so precise. Wow. Ang ganda nila tingnan, ah. Then, yung nag-a-add ng guys, yung flavor sa music video nila is yung lights. Parang it mix like sexy, mysterious. So, ang ganda lang nila tingnan. Lalo na yung nag-aano sila, yung formal attire nila. Wow, ang grabe. Yung swag nila, attitude is there. Grabe. So, let's support this group, guys, because Filipino pride pa rin to. So, at least, na dito, na na sila, na-introduce. So, hindi natin alam kung kailan lang yung launching nila or yung parang debut nila. So, hopefully they can debut also in South Korea so that they will be known to another countries. Kasi ang galing din nila eh. So, proceed natin. Ooh! Wow! May parbraso si Winston. Galing ng boses ni Juice L. Lakas din dating ni Winston, no? Pogi ni Tad. Ooh. Lakas dating ni Winston. Appealing talaga tong taon to. Pero guys, ang grabing improvements ni Juice Elsa because inamin naman talaga niya talaga before na weakest talaga siya when it comes to dancing, but tingnan mo ngayon, ang laki na improvements. Ooh, may palif-lip pa ng t-shirt si Winston Ganda ng music. Wow. Ganda ng dating nila Ooh, new IDER. Wow. Nakaka-enjoy din guys, no? Especially if you're going to make reaction or seeing a music video for the first time, yung mga bagong grupo, bagong singer, kasi nga hindi ka mag-expect kung anong ma-cater nila sa audience ba. So sometimes ma-disappoint ka, sometimes ma-surprise ka kasi hindi mo ini-expect na ganito sila kagaling or na ganito sila kahina or something like this one. So it's really nice. So there you go guys, my reaction to for the first time the official music video of New ID with the song entitled ER. So I hope you like and enjoy this reaction. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.